Welcome to the in front of me Cubot P50, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, we just should select the screen where we want to add the widget. I'll go with the new one, for example. And now just to add the widget, we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that we'll see here the widgets icon. Now we can see here all the available applications, which widgets we can add. For example, we can use the clock application widget. We can use two different types of this widget. Here also the maps. We have here 2, 3, 4, 5 widgets. The YouTube music has only one. For example, let's use the calendar schedule or the month view. Just to add the widgets, we should hold it and after that drag it to our home screen. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it for a while and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. We can also move the widgets here on the screen by the same way, just hold and drag it, and we can create the new screens with the widgets. That's also not a problem. And if you want to remove it, just hold it and drag it here to the up section to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.